With COVID-19 infections surging across the EU, officials in Brussels have pitched a new common strategy to fight the virus's second wave. They're calling for cross-border contact tracing, more rapid testing and standardised quarantine procedures. Our political editor, Darren McCaffrey, reports.
Rising infections, rising hospitalisations, a rising number of deaths in almost every part of Europe. And so now, again, a plea from the EU to member states to better cooperate, as the second surge leads to new restrictions on all our lives.
We are all in this together. No member state will safely emerge from the crisis until everyone does. And that is why you will hear us stress the need for cooperation, coordination and solidarity.
Under the EU's new coordination plan, €100 million will be set aside for rapid antigen tests so that people can get results in hours and not days. Contact tracing and warning apps that work across borders. The development and uptake of safe and effective vaccines. A common standardised approach to quarantine in each member state. And extending the green lanes to allow goods to flow across borders.
The situation is very serious and it risks to get worse if we if we don't take more urgent and drastic measures. But the future is really in our hands. And the numbers are really staggering. And let's never forget that it's about people. It's about real people. When we say that 1 million people are infected in the Union now, the deaths are rising also. Last week, about 1/3 more deaths than the week before, which means that about 1,000 Europeans die per day from COVID. And again, it's about real people.
This new plan will not immediately help to control the virus. Those decisions are made in national capitals. The EU can only hope to help persuade countries to work more effectively. But we have been here before, only for EU plans to be simply ignored. Brussels will be hoping leaders will listen and act this time round.